Welcome back here to Cage 2. We're underway here as the first semi-final bout. Oh, we got an armbar attempt here. It's Lebanon versus Tajikistan. Yahia of Team Lebanon gets out of it. Oh, nice spinning back kick there from Tajikistan. Oh, Elor catches with kick. Tries to turn it into a takedown. But Tajikistan's fighter managed to stay upright. I think we might see a triangle attempt here from Mount. Looks like what the Tajik fighter was going for, but seems to have abandoned it now. Referee calling for a little bit of action. It looked like, oh, here we might see a arm bar or triangle attempt. Oh, but look at that, doesn't quite get it, but gets it from the bottom instead. Here we have the triangle. Oh, wow, and he gets a tap. Nice job. And there you have it. Team Tajikistan advances to the finals here at -40 kilograms men's division.